This screen is really nice and bright sunny shade. I'm using my gloves. It's a rainy day. As you can see, it's a lot of rain. Installation was super easy and the screen is really nice and crystal clear. Let's unbox and take a look at this motorcycle smart screen. You can receive multiple versions of this. As you can see, this is the screen itself. Mounting bracket is aluminum built. As you can see, we have screws, a bunch of extensions here. All right, I'm gonna put it together to not lose it. Alright, so the bracket itself, aluminum here, and the rubber piece inside, and this part also aluminum with the rubber. There's a ball joint here. It's going to be mounted on the bracket. Bunch of zip ties, instruction manuals, we're not going to look. And as you can see, the screen itself right away. On the back, we have a single wire version. Also, you can have exactly the same company, the same screen. It's going to be 2 more wires. It's going to be front or reverse camera version. So that's going to be recording actually built-in dash cam on the screen. So installation is going to be super easy. Let's go outside and install it. Alright guys, if you're in the market for the motorcycle screen, this is a video for you. For some reason, this screen is really nice and bright sunny shade, really nice and clean. As you can see, I'm in the middle of nowhere. And here's the deal, I'm using my gloves. It's a rainy day. As you can see, it's a lot of rain. So you have a multiple apps. Any apps you install on your CarPlay or Android Auto, it's going to be pulled up here. I have just a few apps it's allowed to this. So you can see the podcast, you can control your music if it's any music is playing. Also the Amazon Music, or Spotify, everything is going to be here, right? SoundCloud is going to be here. The maps, you can do the Waze. I don't have on my Apple phone the Waze. You can do the Waze too. So as you can see, screens works really good, very smooth. For the price, usually this kind of price is going to be like very joggy screen, but it's the gloves, this touchscreen allowed gloves. And as you can see, the installation was super easy. The bracket is super strong. This screen doesn't go anywhere, so it's gonna be like that. I was building this bike for a little while. This is an electric hot motor bike and it's a dirt bike. The reason why I don't use my phone mount on this bike, because I do the off-road on this bike and I do a lot of the tricks. So if I install my phone, if I crashed, I'm gonna destroy my phone the first, or my phone is flew out. It's gonna be it's a lot of bad things. So the good part is having the screen. You have always the navigation here, and as you can see, all the controllers here. Also, we can do the phone calls. You can click the phone. It's gonna be my phone list now. It pops up, as you can see, and you can see the text messages, all that stuff on the way. It's a huge screen, as you can see, for this dirt bike. Well, it used to be the dirt bike, but it's cruiser bike. Also the LED lights here, and I'm going to show you how this boots up very fast. I'm going to turn on. It's going to be a really nice animation. As you can see, the motorcycle animation, and the screen is really nice and crystal clear. I thought it's going to be worse than that, but it's not worse than that. It's really nice and clear. You have a bunch of settings here. As you can see, rainy day. I don't care about if I install on my phone, it's automatically connects to the Android Auto or the CarPlay. I don't worry about my phone now. I can ride in the rain. This is the IPS67, so it's waterproof, so I will enjoy this ride. Also, if I have another ball joint like this, I can put my different motorcycle if I want to change anytime, or I can switch between the motorcycle side to side. Great product for the price, guys. I'm out. Also in the next video.